For this video, we're going to be looking at describing and sketching solids of revolution. So a solid of revolution is a three-dimensional figure that is formed by rotating a two-dimensional shape around an axis. And the axis of revolution is the line around which the shape is rotated. So looking at this example here, this line is my axis of revolution. And my solid that end up with the end is the solid of revolution. So I see in this example here, I have a rectangle rotated around a line that is one of its sides. And so I see if I am rotating this rectangle around a line, I see partway through, it starts creating kind of this semicircle. And then when I complete it, I end up with this cylinder. So let's go through sketching some of these, and then we're going to identify and describe the solid. So I want to rotate this rectangle around this axis of revolution here, this line. And so I see if I were to rotate this 360 degrees, I'm actually going to end up with a cylinder. And so now I need to look at to see, okay, what is my radius of my cylinder going to be and what's the height going to be? Well, I see when I'm rotating this, I'm going to still have my height of 9 here. And then I see that my radius of this circle base here is actually going to be 4. From my get from here, because this is basically my rectangle that I'm starting with right here, and then I am rotating it all around. And so here I say I end up with a cylinder, and to describe it, I'm going to say a cylinder with height of 9 and radius of 4. Okay, let's look at the second one now. So here I have a triangle that I'm rotating around. And so I see if I were to rotate this bottom part, I still end up with that circle base. But I see the top right here is actually on my axis of revolution. And so that's just going to stay there. So I'm going to end up with a cone on this one. And so here I still have my triangle, which we can kind of, it's a different color here so we see. I still have my original triangle. And that triangle had a height of 5 and a base of 2. So here I see I end up with a cone with height of 5 and radius of 2.